Lilu's walking the perimeter. In case somebody fun and tasty gets driven out of the storm. Right, Lilu? And then somebody else says, I can't get off. I gotta stay right here on top of you. So the weather can't get me. The weather can't get me this way. That's the best way to do it. It's the only way to be sure. Yes, yes. Oh, God bless you. Oh, child. Oh, dog. Oh. Thank you. That's very nice. That's very nice. Beating me repeatedly with the tail. That's very nice. I don't like it. Oh. Oh. So it's not enough that you're on me. I have to be touching you? Huh? 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 Silly girl? Huh? Look at Lilu's calm. Look how calm Lilu is. She's a good girl. Oh, ow. Oh my gosh. What about Bullet? Bullet's good.